Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Todd Coons, and if you've been here before, you know that this channel is all about photography. If you've not been here before, I am a commercial photographer who does a little bit of everything from weddings to product stuff to stock photography. But today we're diving into a little bit of promo video. It's not my area of expertise, but I'm starting to kind of get into it a little bit. I really enjoy creating these little 10-15 second promo videos, and so today is all about practicing. And as you can see by the beginning of this video, I'm doing one about a film camera. Now, I just bought an old film camera. I haven't had a film camera for probably 20 years. I sold off all my film stuff when the world went digital. Never thought I'd be shooting film again, but I happened along this one camera that was the same little camera and lens setup that I first got excited about photography way back when. So I couldn't pass it up. I bought it. I haven't shot any film through it yet, but I wanted to do this little promo thing about, well, I'm going to call it a promo video. It's just kind of a little fun, short video about loading film in this particular camera. So that's what I'm doing. By the end of the video, tell me what you guys think. I just want to kind of show you how I did it, how I lit it, how I kind of put the whole thing together. And, you know, it was just kind of a fun project. Now, I've done a few videos like this before. And the way it works best for me is if I get really organized, I always start with a list. These are the little clips, the little shots that I think I'm going to need. I list it out. I've kind of got a vision in my head. So I list out what I need to shoot, and then I start shooting my little 2-second, 3-second, clips. Now, usually these clips are about 15 to 20 seconds long, and then I just take the piece out of it that I need. I actually, when I put this thing together, had about 7 minutes worth of video that I condensed down to about 15 seconds. Now, just like good photography, good video, I think, starts with good lighting. So I got some dramatic lighting. I knew what I wanted. I wanted a dark background. I wanted moody lighting. So I got my light in nice and tight, kind of moved it a couple of times during the filming part of it. And, that brings some drama to it, and it just makes it more exciting. Now, the camera that I used to shoot the entire thing was my Fuji X-T4, which like I said, I'm not a video expert, but I really like the results out of the Fuji. Straight out of the camera, really, really nice. I don't do a whole lot of color grading to it. I tweak it a little bit, but not a ton. And I might not be getting the most out of the camera by doing it like that, but I'm really excited about the results. And for what I'm doing, I'm super happy with the X-T4. And I've got a 16 to 80. I've got it maxed out to probably about 80 millimeters. I'm using the longest lens I've got, shooting it at f4, so there's not a lot of depth of field to what I'm doing. But if you notice, in the images that I'm shooting, there's not a lot of need for depth of field. Now, sound effects for this little video, super important. The cranking of the film lever, the shutter going off, the film pulling across, the clicking, all that kind of stuff was done as I shot. And I didn't really need to go back and do any sound effects or add anything to it, because as I was shooting, the sound effects seemed to work out pretty well on their own. And then, of course, the last thing, and probably a very, very important thing, is to pick the right music to go with the video clips to pull the whole thing together and to bring that whole drama, pull it all together. So I did a little bit of searching, had a couple of options, came up with this song that I think probably works pretty well. But you guys are going to have to let me know. What do you think? What could I have done better? What could I have done differently? Like I said, I don't claim to be a video expert. I'm dabbling in it. I'm getting better at it as I go. But listen, any advice, any words of wisdom, I'm all ears. I'm learning from you guys as I'm teaching what I know. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I will end with this video with the music added. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you can. If you haven't subscribed, think about subscribing. Leave me a comment. And as always, have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.